Hello students, this is page 49 from your student's book. In today's live class we have done these story sums. It is written here, done in copy, as these story sums we have done in copy today, and today's date is also written. As I have told you earlier also, on your copy you will have to write classwork date, SB for student's book. This is chapter 3, so chapter 3 is also written, and the page 49. So that later on when you turn on the pages of your copy, you will understand that these are which sums done from which book and which page. So let us read the first question now. The first story reads, Bihan had 75 stickers in his sticker book. He gave 28 stickers to his friend. How many stickers are left with him? Now to construct the statement of a story sum, what we have to do first is read the story carefully. We will first find out the numbers with which we have to work. For example, in this sum, the numbers are 75 and 28. These are the numbers with which we have to work. And what we have to do is, we have to find out how many stickers are left with him. So this word left is again a clue that we have to do subtraction. So we will start our sum by the statements. The first number is 75. Now this is what? This 75 is number of stickers. What is the thing that we are going to work with? We are going to work with the number of stickers. How many stickers are left with him? So we are going to work with this number of stickers. The first one is number of stickers that Bihan had. So this statement is written in the same way. Number of stickers Bihan had is 75. Then the second number is 28. This is number of stickers he gave to his friend. So the statement is also written in this way. Number of stickers given 28. We have to find how many stickers are left. So it is written number of stickers left. We will get the answer by subtracting 28 from 75. So it is written 75 minus 28 is equal to, we will do the subtraction over here. We got 47 and put a equal to sign. So this means that 75 minus 28 is equal to 47. Once again I am requesting, please don't put the sign of subtraction over here. It does not take much time to write this. To write this operation, it does not take much time. You know that you are doing the subtraction. So why will you not show this to your teacher that you have got the answer by subtracting the numbers? Please write this. And then the final answer. Earlier also I have told you how you will construct the sentence. How many, leave this part, how many, in place of how many you will write the answer. That 47 you have got. 47 stickers are left with him. In place of question mark, put a full stop. The answer is 47 stickers are left with him. Full stop. Let's move to number 2 now. Nina made 34 paper flowers during his summer break. She gave 19 flowers to her teachers. How many flowers are left with her? So again here the two numbers are 34 and 19. What are these and what we have to find out? Flowers. How many flowers are left? The thing that we are working on is flowers, and we have to find how many are left. So left here again is an indication that we have to do subtraction, and the statement will be written with the number of flowers. This is the word that we are working with. We are working with flowers, and these are the numbers. So the numbers and the word to be framed together to make the statement. Number of flowers Nina had 34, number of flowers she gave 19, and number of flowers left. In the same way, 34 minus 19 is equal to 15. Then the answer. Number 3, I will do it in front of you. I will show you how I read the story and how I frame the statements. Those who have attended the live class, they have seen it. They know how I do this. This video is specially meant for those who could not join today's live class. Naman had 45 sketch pens. He used up 26 sketch pens. How many sketch pens does he have now? So the numbers are 45 and 26. And these are which numbers? Number of what thing? Sketch pens. And what we have to do is, how many sketch pen does he have now? See, over here the word left is not mentioned, but by reading the story we have understood that he has used up some sketch pens. Now after using up, the number will get reduced. So reduction means again subtraction. He has used up some sketch pens and now obviously he will have lesser number. So this answer we will get by subtracting. The two numbers are 45 and 26 and these are number of sketch pens. The first one is number of sketch pen Naman had and the second one is number of sketch pen he used. So this is how I am going to write the statement. Number of sketch pens Naman had is equal to how much it is given? 45. So I will write 45 at the end of the line. And the other number is number of sketch pens used. What is the number? That is 26. At the end of the line, 26. And we have to find out number of sketch pens left. Number of sketch pens left. How will we get the numbers? 45 minus 26 is equal to how much? We will do the subtraction over here. 5 is smaller than 6, so this 5 will become 15 and this 4 will become 3. I am not writing these numbers, I am not cutting the numbers and writing because I can do it without cutting the numbers. If required, you can do that. You can do that, but it is better not to do it in a story sum. Okay, the sum will become untidy otherwise. So 45 minus 26 is 19 and this is the number of sketch pens left. Then the last line of the story is how many sketch pen does he have now? In place of how many we will write 19 sketch pen he have now. And the final answers will be 19 sketch pens he has now. So this is how you will have to do the story sums. After completing page 49, we will be back to page 48. This page was given as homework today. Then the first part, a story sum is given. Minnie went to a library. She saw 82 books on a shelf. She took out 16 books for herself. How many books were left on the shelf? So here again, I will explain it, how to do. The two numbers are 82 and 16. 82 is the number of books that were on the shelf. 16 is the number of books she took away. And you have to find out number of books left. This is the operation to be followed. 82 minus 16. Number of books left on bracket 82 minus 16 and you will do the subtraction because the numbers are already written on the right hand side and then you will write the answer. In place of how many, the number you will write books were left on the shelf. Okay. In this blue box you can see some interesting thing is given. Which page number are you on now? So this is page number 48. You will write here 48, 48. Subtract that from the biggest two-digit number. This number 48 you have to subtract from the biggest two-digit number. Now let me tell you, the biggest two-digit number is 99. This is one digit and this is two digit. These are two digits number. After 99 comes 100. This is a three-digit number, 1, 2 and 3 and this is the smallest three-digit number. Biggest two-digit number, smallest three-digit number. Two-digit number starts from 10. Before 10 it is 9, it is a single-digit number and this is the biggest one-digit number. This is the biggest two-digit number. This is the smallest smallest two-digit number. This is the smallest three-digit number. So you have to subtract 99 from 48. You will write here 99 minus 48 and you will do the subtraction. The most interesting part in this page is this challenge question. I will help you how to do this. You can do this on your copy also. So what is mentioned here is Shayan has 82 paper clips. Okay. And Nina has 16 paper clips less than Shayan. It is not directly mentioned that how many paper clips Nina has. It is told that she has 16 paper clips less than Sayan. So you will have to find out how many Nina has. And then Nitya has 8 paper clips less than Nina. So unless you find out the number of paper clips that Nina has, you won't be able to find out how much Nitya has. So on my copy I have written it like this. Sayan has 82 paper clips. Nina has 82 minus 16 because it is told that she has 16 paper clips less than Sayan. So it is 82 minus 16, that is 66. Now how much Nitya has? Nitya has 66 minus 8 because it is told that she has 8 paper clips less than Nina. So 66 minus 8 is 58. This means Nitya has 58 paper clips. We got the number. How many paper clips does Nitya have? We got the number in this way. Then the next question is, so how many less clips does Nitya have than Sayan? So now you have to find out the difference between Nitya and Sayan. We already know that Sayan has 82 and Nitya have 58. So to find out what is the difference, how many less, it is 82 minus 58. You will do the subtraction. You will get 24. So this means that Nitya has 24 paper clips less than Sayan. I hope this explanation has made the sum easier for you to understand. Those who have attended the live class, I have asked them to do it before watching the video, because in the live class also I gave you a little bit of explanation. So if you have done it before watching the video, and if your answer and my answer is same, if you have got the correct answer, then it's great. Proud of you that you have understood a challenge question and you have understood my explanation in the live class. Thank you for those who have understood it.